Right now I'm going to show you the deployment method for my AUTONCAT through this custom trailer I'm building. This is just a concept, but to enable a person to be a one-man operation. So now you see I basically have an access ramp that allows me to slide this out, work on the vehicle, or just access it right away. So you'll see here I'll slide it out. Now the vehicle is accessible. I can get in here, do whatever I need to do. At this point the motors aren't installed, and that's to keep it as compact as possible. Now what I'll do is I will take these wheels and push them forward. That places this in this orientation. I'll then remove these pins. And now I have access to the vehicle. And I can take it right down to the water. When it's stored, you see it's in this position, which gives the motors space from the ground so that it doesn't break the props. Now to bring it back, there'll be an electric winch that pulls it in, or I can manually do it. It works a lot better if I put the pins in, but I didn't want to mess with it. So then to stow it away, lift it back up. Remove the tire. There you go. A little bit of work, but a lot better than trying to pack this around by myself.